Hey everyone, Eric with Rocket H, and might be wondering what I'm doing driving down the road and filming at the same time. Well, don't worry, I'm being safe. But I'm actually making a delivery today. I've been working for Schroeder Harvesting for the last few years, and this year is no exception. I'm delivering number 1, number 2, and number 6 trucks of theirs down to Montezuma. So what they do is they harvest in North Texas, out at Dalhart, if you're familiar with that geography. And on their way home, because they're all finished with harvest, I usually meet them at Montezuma, Kansas, because they have a big parking lot and a great big area where those guys can turn their trucks and trailers around, because they normally have a semi, combine trailer, a dolly, and either a header trailer or a 34-foot grain trailer behind it. So that's where we meet up, and then I make the delivery, and their drivers get their memories of summer, whichever one they're on, and then I get paid, which is kind of fun. But you know, it is pretty awesome to make stuff that people are using and that they will have a permanent memory of. That's what's pretty cool. So what I'll do is, if I beat them down there, I'm going to get film of them pulling into the yard, and then see what I can do to get some film of the delivery, and then we'll go down the road. So just traveling through southwest Kansas here in November, and enjoying a beautiful day. Catch you in a few. Well, it looks like they beat me. That's cool. We're here at American Implement in Montezuma, Kansas, getting ready to deliver some drivers what they bought, and there they are. Looks like they got here right before I did. Okay, cool. All right. There's number 13. I didn't make that one. There's number 6 over there. There's number 6. They have 4 machines in their outfit, and then support equipment and all that. All right, let's make the delivery. So the models have been delivered. The outfit here at Schroeder had a small repair to make on a truck, and here they go. They're headed home. Campers are going to lead off this crew, and there they go. I got my window rolled up for now because I don't want to get a bunch of dirt and crap in here while they leave. There we go. Now maybe we can listen to them. That's a pretty cattle hauler. Service truck, T300. That's Larry. He's the owner of the outfit. Number 3. That's S2. That's a replica I delivered this year, and I made one last year of that same truck and trailer. They run 34-foot Wilsons, which aren't made, so I got to custom make those. That's S6, which I delivered today. I've made a couple S6s over the years. Huh. Thought S6 had a headache rack on it. It did in the photos. I must have taken it off, I guess.
made an S4 but in the past, but I don't recall. I have to look at my notes. And there is S2 with the jet pup. I've made a couple of these too. They must have a pickup in the back. S2 is pretty cool. And I didn't know that that jet's got chrome wheels on it. Huh. I put buds on it. Whoops. Guess I'm gonna have to talk to Scott and say, do you want me to switch that out? Alright guys, that's our little harvest tour for the day. If you don't know about it, make sure you subscribe to the Diecast Lab, diecastlab.com. That's where I've got all my tutorials and everything. If you want to do anything I do, it's right there and waiting for you. So check it out, see if it works for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.